Dear friends, hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can block pop-ups on iPhone. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and write comments. So let's get down to this topic. If you want to block such pop-ups through Safari browser, then you'll need to click on Settings and then scroll down to the bottom. Click on Applications, and then in the search box, type in the word Safari and open that app. Next, scroll down and look for Pop-up Blocker. Click on this option, and then this feature will be blocked through Safari. If you are using Google Chrome, then open it. Then at the bottom on the right side, click on the three dots. Then in this icon menu, find Settings. It's in the shape of a gear. Click on them. Scroll down and click on Content Settings. Next, block pop-ups. And just turn that option on so you can see that the button is on. So friends, you will already block such pop-ups in Google Chrome, and they will not bother you anymore. Friends, I hope this video was useful and that it helped you. Don't forget to put your likes, subscribe, and also write comments. See you soon, friends.